Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about the Insta360 X3. So I purchased this on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and open it and see what we got. So let's see what we have on the box. So I already took the seal. Here's the camera. Oh, it's pretty heavy. It looks great. What we have here is probably the cables. Okay, let's open it here. And by the way, excuse me because I'm doing this with one hand, so. Oh, the USB cable. Oh, it's the USB-C. I guess they give you a pouch for the camera and instructions. So pretty nice. Let's go ahead and give it power and see how much charge this thing has. I'm gonna press the power right here. Oh, there it is. It's turning on. So let's select English. Please download. Okay, guys. Let me download this and I'll get back with you. So hey guys, I'm back. So what I'm doing, I'm recording. Sorry for the delay, but as you can see, it's asking for the Insta360 app. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and look for it. Here it is. Download it. So I'm downloading the app. It's asking me for the app, as you can see. So we're waiting for the download. Let's see what happens. So guys, now it's saying it's installing the firmware. As you can see, it says firmware is being upgraded. The camera will automatically restart when it's finished. You guys see that? Okay, let's see, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, it's finished. I'm gonna go ahead and click please reconnect to the device. So that's what it's doing right now. And by the way, I got this to protect the lens for it, because I heard a lot of stories that it scratches easy. So I got this cover for the lens. Okay, this is activation, and then it says register now. So I'm gonna do the register and I'll be back. Thank you. Okay guys, after registering, it's gonna ask you, this is the item that comes out, and then I'm gonna press next. Okay, let's see what's going on. It says, which of the following scenarios will use on your camera? So let's just click one, or you could click as many as you want. Hiking, this, bike. Let's see what else they have. Other, blogging, let's see what else. Running, photograph, That's what I do. Okay, so let's press next. And then it's asking you for the gender. Okay. Confirm. Date of birth. I'll be back. So I'm almost done with the setup. So we're going to get familiar with the buttons. So it says tap the shutter button to take a photo or video. It says tap this button to switch to lens. Okay. Tap this present button to enter the quick menu. Okay. Got it. And okay, has no SD card. So there you have it. This is the Insta360 X3 Pocket 360 Action Cam. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shoot some video outside so you guys can see it. Stay tuned for my other video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.